But when you're under the influence of Beanie Man, you drink rum and Red Bull. When you're under the influence of Bounty Killer, you're cross, angry, and miserable. When you're under the influence of mackerel, you take with people, man.
Wait a minute. I think mackerel same thing with it. Since when mackerel take people, man? What? Pastor?
When you're under the influence of popularity, you post beard, breast, leg and tie like you are KFC. When you're under the influence of Valiant, you don't spot because you don't have no subject. When you're under the influence of secular music, you become a party goer.
Last pastor me cover, you know, the pastor there was a bad man. This the pastor here, this a pastor here, a party goer. Yeah man, this a pastor here, a social media influencer. Yeah man, this a pastor there, a club every weekend. Me think a strip club in go to.
When you're under the influence of gunmen, you become a gangster. When you're under the influence of YouTube influencers, you become a prankster. But when I'm under the influence of the Holy Ghost, I'm going to preach it until I reach it, because I'm all in. I'm in spirit and ready and prepared for service. I said that.
Listen, me there way upon pastor say when he under influence of God, he feel the Holy Ghost or he walk a righteous path. I know pastor under influence of all kind of things except God. Right now me feel the pastor under influence of rum.